Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a search functionality for your Windows Forms project. So I have added a few pictures here. As you can see, I have added a Pepsi picture, a steak picture, and a burger picture. So we can search for any item of these by using the search functionality. We'll use a search text box and a search button so we can search for these. So we want to organize these. We want to organize these items in a panel so it will look more organized. Okay, so I want to add a panel so I can put these items inside. So we will use the flow layout panel. The flow layout panel will organize these items automatically for us. Okay, so we will use this to organize the items. Okay, so let's add these items inside of the panel. Okay, as you can see, if I remove any item, it will reorganize the pictures. You see, it will reorganize the pictures. And so we will use this to organize our pictures inside of our search functionality. Okay, so inside of our menu, let's say I have a menu here, and let's make this background transparent so it looks much better. So we go to the back color of the layout panel, and we will make it transparent so it will not show, and we can put inside of it the items. Okay, so after that I have changed the names of the pictures inside of the code. So the picture of the burger, I called it burger picture, and the steak picture, I called it steak picture, and the Pepsi picture, I called it Pepsi picture, and so on. Okay, so I have changed the name of the names of the items here, and let's add a search box. So we will add a text box. Okay, so the text box here. Okay, let's change the size, the font. Font 10. Okay, let's add a button for our search button for our search functionality. Okay, and let's make this 10, and we'll say it's search. We'll make it say search. Okay, so search. All right, and then after that, let's change the name of it to be search button. Okay, and then after that, we'll change the text box to be search box. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then let's double click on the search button, so we'll add the search function. And after that, we will start by creating an if statement. So if statement, and we will use the text box to compare, to see what the user enters. So let's use the search box dot text, and inside of this text we want to compare what string that the user enters here. Okay, so let's say, sorry. Okay, so let's say the user entered let's say burger. Let's say cheese burger. So we want to search for the word burger here. We want to search inside of this all of this for the word burger, because the burger can change from restaurant to a restaurant. Okay, we can say cheeseburger, let's say steak burger, or something else. So we will search for the word burger only. Okay, so we will use the contains method. we will not use the equals method inside of the text function. Okay, so we use the contains method because the contains method searches for the strings that we require. So we can search for only this word here, even if the other, even if the box contains other words. So we will use the contains method to search for only one word. Okay, and then we can determine which picture we want to show. Okay, so that's okay. Let's go to home page and then let's resume back. So if searchbox.text dot contains يعني يتضمن، إذا كان يتضمن هذه الكلمة، إذا كانت هذه الكلمة موجودة داخل التكست بوكس حتى لو كان في كلمات ثانية بنسوي الكود اللي تحت. So contains burger. Okay, so we will use the burger picture dot visible is equal to true. So we'll make this true. And then after that, we will make other pictures disappear. Okay, so Pepsi picture dot visible equals false. Okay, do picture dot visible equals false. Okay, and then after that we will hide the steak picture dot visible equals false. And we can use this for all other elements inside of our code. So let's do that for else if you don't want to use another if statement here. You want to use else if and else if and else if and then else. Okay, so after that we will search for, let's search for the word, let's say Pepsi. Okay, and let's search for Pepsi, and if the Pepsi is there, we will hide all of the pictures instead of the Pepsi. False. So we will hide the burger and then we will make the Pepsi true. Okay, and then after that we'll do the same thing for the other elements. Okay, we don't want this, we want do, and let's make this false, and we'll make the picture of the do true, and we'll also do that for the steak. Okay, we'll make this false, and we'll change the steak picture to be true. It will be visible. Else, so if the user enters anything else or he doesn't enter anything, we will show all the pictures all together. Okay, so we'll make them all true. And true. Okay, we don't need this, and that's it. Okay, so now if we search for anything inside of this, let's say enter. So if we search for nothing, it will show us all the pictures. If we search for, let's say, cheeseburger, search, you see it shows only this picture, even though we are using we are searching for the burger keyword only. Okay, so we are just searching for this. If there is this this word, we will say, we will show this picture. And we can also say mountain Mountain Dew. It will show us the Mountain Dew, and if we delete this, it will show us all the other pictures. And that is how you create search functionality.